The city's shining from the reaches out for someone to get another soul is gone, and I believe.
Part of me where I feel like I'm adulting is that it feels like just yesterday I got sick, that my parents drove me to a doctor, and like suddenly they're sick, and we the children that have to drive them to the doctor. Like, that really got me. Like, a lot of things I realized, like, oh my god, I'm adulting, is that suddenly all the roles that my parents did back then is like mirroring to me. Like, oh my god, this is what I should do, because that's what they did to me. Or like, oh my god, I would feel so guilty if I don't do that, because back then when I was a child, they did that to me. Kalau dia suruh cabut apa nggak, Bang? Jam 10. Oh, ada lagi ya?
Ada bisa di sini.
I've been feeling unwell. I just dropped off some canonical documents to the church. It's getting real, baby.
Yeah, you're stuck with me.
Aldi is taking me to another matcha place. It's in Galing Serpong. Let's try. I ordered sucha with no sugar.
Nggak enak.
Thanks, Adi.
Sama-sama.
Thanks, Adi. Who's my good man, Savannah? Adi, don't be like refrigerator.
Nggak bagus.
Hi, Finn. Ci, mana Ci? Sini, Ci.
Si Vin cuma-cuma aja.
Finn, mana Finn?
Ketutupan.
Oh, Cici, nggak boleh. Ketutupan ya, Cici, Finn ya. Kiss Ilala dong. Kiss Ilala. Finn lebih sayang Ilala apa Uncle Aldi? Siapa? Lebih sayang Ilala apa Uncle Aldi? Sayang siapa?
Sayang Cici.
Kalau Ella lebih sayang siapa? Bye Uncle Aldi. Bye Uncle Aldi.
Cici maunya ke Disneyland, beda level.
Oh iya.
Enggak, maunya ke BSD.
Oh, mau ke BSD.
Oh gitu. Rumah Uncle Adi mau.
Enggak.
Kenapa?
Mana tuh?
Apa?
pipi.
Kamu mau pipi?
Pipi.
Apa nih?
Vin.
Iya.
Oh, Vin. Ini Vin namanya, teman-teman.
Vin siapa namanya?
Ini
Vin
namanya
Edgar
Vin
ya?
siapa? Vin siapa?
Dada.
Vin siapa?
Kakak.
Oh, Kagar, Edgar.
Iya, iya, iya.
Oh gitu.
Kamu kan,
Iya, iya.
kamu kan namanya Damian.
Hah? I'm getting my nails done, and I'm contemplating if I should remove my. Coba.
For the first time in ages, I wake up and don't hate it. I guess I found some peace. Through the day to the evening, without shouting and screaming, something new to me. Alone without being lonely.